Hi and welcome, I am here today with Oppo Find X2 Pro and I'll be showing you how to get an iOS volume panel on this phone. So first off, we have to open up the Google Play Store and from there we have to look for an application called Volume Styles. Install the first application that pops up, wait for a while, open it. Now, in order to run the application we have to tap on the Start button in the top right corner. Now, give several permissions to the application. In this case, we just have to give accessibility service permissions, volume styles, allow volume styles to have full control of your device. Yes. Okay, tap on yes, I agree. Now, it's pretty easy to get an iOS volume panel using this application. Simply swipe down, and as you can see, iOS is right there. Now try changing the volume levels, and as you can see, the volume panel has changed and now it looks like the iOS volume panel. There are many other themes to choose from, for example Wave with a little animation. We've also got MUI, which is pretty straightforward. It looks like a default Android volume panel. We also got Windows Phone. And the last, let's look at knob. It's pretty straightforward. So there are many other themes to choose from, but I'm going to leave it all to you. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye.